If you've ever wondered how products go from a factory in China all the way to your warehouse, this video is for you. Let's go over the entire sourcing process from start to finish and step by step. Start by searching on platforms like Alibaba or 1688. Compare prices, product details, and minimum order quantities. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Look for verified suppliers with clear communication and real product photos. Step 2. Request samples. Before placing a bulk order, always check the quality firsthand. This helps confirm the product's material, size, packaging, and overall finish. If something isn't right, make changes now before mass production starts. Step 3. Production. Once samples are approved, your supplier will begin manufacturing. This usually takes 20 to 30 working days, depending on the product. It's a good idea to ask for photo or video updates during this stage to make sure everything's on track. Step 4. Quality inspection. Before anything ships, have the products checked for defects, quantity, labeling, and packaging. You can hire an inspection service or ask for detailed photos and videos. Skipping this step is risky. It's your last chance to fix any issues before shipping. Step 5. Consolidation. If you've ordered from multiple suppliers, it's best to gather everything in one warehouse. From there, items can be repacked and combined into fewer cartons. This helps reduce shipping costs and keeps your shipment organized. Step 6. Shipping. You can choose between sea freight for large orders, air freight for faster delivery, or express couriers for small packages. Once shipped, your freight forwarder handles customs clearance and final delivery to your warehouse or fulfillment center. And that's the full process from sourcing to warehouse. Once you understand these steps, importing from China becomes much easier and more predictable. If you'd like to learn more about how sourcing works and how to avoid common beginner mistakes, check out SourcingXpro for free guides, examples, and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.